How to install apps without payment method on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll launch Google Play Store on your device. Now tap Profile at top right corner. A menu bar pop-ups where you have to select Payments and Subscriptions option. Tap on Payment Methods. Here, if you have a payment method saved, remove it by selecting it and tapping Remove. When downloading free apps, Play Store won't ask for payment information. For paid apps, you will need to re-add a payment method. If the Google Play Store still asks for payment, you can create a new Google account. For that, you need to head towards Settings again. Tap on Google option and you can simply choose Add another account, and here you can set or tap on Google option. Now simply you need to set up a new account and skip adding a payment method during setup. You can use this account for downloading apps. And that's it. With this step, you can easily install apps on your Android device without needing to add a payment method. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.